Hello, Bladers. Some Hollywood celebrities want to keep it on a down low. They don't need to have flashy and luxurious cars to get on with their daily lives. Don't get me wrong, despite being old cars, they still work perfectly fine for these celebrities, or mainly because they are truly humble. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Let's talk about these celebrities now, shall we? First on our list is John Goodman and his reliable Ford F-150. As we all know, John Goodman has a father figure role in the movie Coyote Ugly, and this Ford 150 was like his little baby that can take any stuff out for a ride because of its pickup feature, and because it has the sporty dad vibe. Second is La La Land's Ryan Gosling and his eco-friendly Toyota Prius. We all know that Ryan Gosling is a huge actor, but despite his success, he still cares for Mother Nature, and a far cry from the beautiful vintage cars he drove in his iconic roles in The Notebook and, more recently, the Oscar-winning La La Land. Third on our list is David Beckham's Jeep Wrangler. We all know that the Beckhams have lots of cars in their garage, but it's a little comforting to see one of the most recognizable faces in the world driving an imposing, everyday off-roader that costs a little less than one of his wife's bags in one of the most luxurious neighborhoods in the world. Talk about being down to earth. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of those celebrities you feel is too humble? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better.